Hello students, today in class 12th I am starting a new chapter, the magnetism and the magnetic properties of the substances. This is the chapter number 8 and every year a question is asked from this magnetism in the NEET exam and also other exams. So this is one of the basic chapter. So you have to study it very carefully and study it in deep so that you could have the right answer to the given question. So first I am taking that what is the magnetism and the some definitions regarding with the magnetism. Some solid substances were formed in mines at magnesium in Greek, which have the property of attraction and direction. Property of attraction and direction. Along NS direction of Earth. North-south, NS means north and south. So they align in the direction of NS. These substances were named magnet. Based on the place where they were found, the magnesium. Because these solid substances were found in the magnesia, so they were named the magnet. They have the property of the attraction and the property of direction. So these substances attract the iron-like elements these solid substances attract iron-like elements. It is called magnetism. It is called magnetism. When these were suspended freely at its center, then they always stop in NS direction. This is the magnet. And this is your what we have. This is now your east, west, north, and south. Then they are always in NS direction. This is the NS direction. NS direction. When this kind of solid is tied at its center and suspended freely, it stops in NS direction. So they have the directional property. So initially these substances were used by the sailors when they go in the sea voyage, so that they would find the direction and they could locate itself, that where are they and at how much distance are they from their origin. Types of magnets. The magnets are of two types. One is the natural magnet. Natural magnet. The iron ores. These are of two kinds. One is hematite. This is Fe2O3, and number 2 magnetite. This was Fe3O4. So this magnetite has the property of magnetism. The magnetite is the property of magnetism. While hematite, this is not a magnet. So only this substance magnetite Fe3O4. This is the natural magnet. It is natural magnet. Its magnetism exists for a long time, for a very long time, and it cannot be changed. It cannot be changed. So they have the permanent magnetism. Magnetite is permanent magnetism. Permanent magnetism. So these are called the natural magnets. Second is artificial magnet. Second is artificial magnet. The substance, the magnets made by human using artificial methods are called artificial magnets. So these are human made magnets and they are made by some artificial methods. And these artificial magnets then again divided into two parts. One is the permanent magnet and second the unstable magnet. The artificial magnet are of two types. Two kinds. One is the permanent magnet. Permanent magnet. These magnets are made of iron and or they have the mixture, that is the alloy. So by that we can make the artificial permanent magnet. These magnets have permanent magnetism which cannot be changed, and these are made of from iron like substances and alloys. So like examples of this one is nickel magnet, and the L-nico. So this is now aluminum plus nickel plus cobalt, L-nico magnets. Vicalloy, so vanadium, indium and calcium. Vanadium plus indium plus calcium magnet. Permalloy, magnets, etc. Now this, when we use these substances, nickel, L-nico and Vicalloy and other permalloy, then we are having the permanent magnets. Their magnetism cannot be destroyed, or this remains constant for a long time. This is the permanent magnet. And now the unstable magnet. Unstable magnet. Unstable magnets. These unstable magnets, they exist, their magnetism exists only for a short time. So when they are to be made, then material that is selected, that is your soft iron material. their magnetism exists only for a short time, only for a short time, and so they are called unstable magnets. That we can have they are made from soft iron, and these unstable magnets are used only when we have to use certain electronic circuits. They are used in doorbell, now that we are having this dynamo and electric motor, etc. So they are used in these appliances. There are so many other appliances in which this unstable magnetism is used. So this is the initial of this magnetism, that where it is to be find out where it was found, and the place, name of the place, and the natural magnetism is what is the artificial magnetism, and how the that the natural and artificial magnets, how the artificial magnets are. So these are the uses. This permanent magnetism, here they are used in the radio, TV, etc. They are used in radio, TV, etc. So this is the initial of the magnetism. Now in the next lecture I will take some definitions regarding the magnetism. So thank you very much.